Start by getting comfortable. Lie down in bed, in a position that feels natural. Close your eyes and let your body sink into the mattress. Take a moment to notice the weight of your body being supported. Step 1. Deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Feel your belly rise as you breathe in. Hold your breath gently for 7 seconds. Don't strain, just hold it calmly. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds, letting all tension release with the breath. Repeat this 4-7-8 breathing cycle 4 times. Focus only on the rhythm of your breath. Start with your feet. Tense the muscles in your toes and feet as tightly as you can for 5 seconds. Then slowly release for 10 seconds. Notice the warmth and heaviness as they relax. Move to your calves. Tighten them for 5 seconds, then release for 10 seconds, letting them feel heavy and loose. Work your way up. Thighs, hips, stomach, chest, arms, hands, shoulders, neck, and face. Tense each area for 5 seconds, then release for 10 seconds. Move slowly and deliberately, letting each muscle group melt into the bed. Step 3. Visualization. Picture a calm, peaceful place, like a quiet beach, a forest, or floating on a soft cloud. Imagine the details, the sound of waves, the smell of pine, or the warmth of sunlight. Let this scene fill your mind. If other thoughts creep in, gently bring your focus back to this place. Feel your body growing heavier, sinking deeper into relaxation. Stay here, breathing slowly, letting the image carry you into sleep. As you rest in your peaceful place, feel your body and mind fully relaxed, heavy, and at ease. Let each breath carry you deeper into calm. There's nothing more to do, nowhere else to be. Just drift, letting sleep come naturally.